Alright, so what was that, Ryder?
But melted butter.
Melted butter and our milk, wasn't it?
Yep, melted
Okay, make
butter
sure that's
and
all
milk
in.
and milk.
Yep. Alright.
3 eggs.
Right, 3 eggs.
Make sure there's no shells in there first.
Yeah, good girl.
Make sure there's no shells.
That's alright.
No shells.
I reckon there's no shells.
Let's check out the shells again.
Yep.
No shells.
No shells, good.
I think a shell in
Good,
there.
oh, that was lucky. Right, let's have a look in there. That's looking pretty good so far. Alright.
Flour.
Yep, in you go. Yeah. Then the cake mix.
Yep.
Alright. Alright.
Basically done.